Hello everyone, we are Huada Group. We are participating in the 22nd Xiamen International Stone Fair. Now we will present the latest generation of our machinery and tools product. On my left side is a double blade quarrying machine for granite low bench quarrying. It applies a permanent magnet motor that is 25 to 30% more efficient than similar product in the market. And the working speed can be adjusted automatically according to the hardness of the stone. After a vertical cut by our dial blade quarrying machine, diamond wire machine can be used to perform horizontal bottom cut. This method is getting more and more popular due to its high efficiency. And in marble quarrying, we can completely use diamond wire machine for vertical and horizontal cutting in combination with diamond wires. The above two equipment also have Internet of Things configuration options. This function can be used to monitor the operation of the machine remotely. When the blocks is extracted from the quarry, in order to facilitate transportation, we can directly dream it on the quarry site. At this time, we can use our 30 kW high-efficiency dreaming machine. The blocks can be dreamed into different sizes according to the needs of the client. Also, we have the option of a portable dreaming machine of 22 kW. Before quarrying with the diamond wire machine, we need to drill holes for placing diamond wires. We can use down-the-hole driller vertically and horizontally for drilling. There are down-the-hole driller of pneumatic electric type and fully pneumatic type. You can choose according to the quarry condition. In addition, we have horizontal core boring machine that can perform horizontal drilling. The difference is you can use this horizontal core boring machine to detect the condition of the stone inside the quarry body in advance. As a stone quarrying equipment company with more than 20 years of experience, we have a complete supply chain ecosystem for stone quarrying product. We not only have quarrying equipment, but also diamond tools. Huada can produce diamond wires and diamond segments with different specifications for different uses according to the need of our client, from quarries to stone processing factories. Thank you for watching. You are more than welcome to contact us for more information. If you like our video, follow us.